But let's just take my words and my body. Okay. Words are 50%. So people are listening to this and they get 50%. If my body's 50% and you're only seeing half of my body, then you're only receiving 25% of what I'm saying. So the zombie zoominar is us being in a constant state of loading, like on a computer, loading, it's uploading, it's loading, right? Because we're not seeing the full body. You're seeing half of what I am physically telling you or communicating, but your body's always trying to find the other half. Because if I'm standing here and I'm saying to you, I'm a powerful woman, and I don't have my legs in a power stance, you can't connect those dots. Right? Or if I'm saying, right? And so we're always going, where's the other piece? Where's the other piece? And it's worse when people get on like this. Hi, I'm here. Right? And you have a black screen because you don't know anything.
Right.
Yeah. And so that's what emotionally has drained us. That's why, yes, this is good, but it's not the only thing.
So what do you advise? I mean, so what do you advise people to do?
Well, one, when you're on these videos, you need to be on the video. You can't register and come into an event and then go hide behind the curtain and talk to people. You just can't do it. You have to be on screen. Who cares what you look like? No one cares anymore. Gosh, I was interviewing Hal Elrod, who wrote The Miracle Morning, not even 3 weeks ago. And I had this screen up, which I had to buy during COVID, right? Because right back there is our bedroom. And my husband came out of the bedroom putting on his shirt. I'm like, what the French toast? Right? And he's in the business. I go,
hey, we're guys.
I'm going live, right? And he comes walking out there like that. And my dog, you know how dogs are. They like to do what they like to do. And I'm doing that, right? They like to do that. He's done that on here. And I'm like, you can't do that either. And, but you know what? We don't care. I don't care if you don't have your makeup on. I don't care if you have a hat on. I don't care if you have a shower. I don't care. I want people. I want that connection with people. Right. But I think one of the things that she told me, first of all, you and I are both good. We're in center. We're in the center of the screen. We're not like this. We're not looking up our noses, right? We're in the center of our screen, and we have to over animate.
Okay.
Because this is what I see on. Yeah.
Was I just doing that?
I don't know. I don't know, because the other thing is I'm looking at the camera. I'm not looking at you. Now I'm looking at you.
Right.
Okay. So, right. So we have to over animate. So I would say if you're going to be on a webinar, and if you're a loan officer and you're going to teach other people on a webinar, you better plan to pretend like you're on stage be Tony Robbins, right? Over exaggerate everything, because it keeps people entertained. I mean, engaged.